Hey guys, welcome back to Stock Tech, and we are back with the Nifty video for the month of September. So in this video, I'll be explaining to you the important levels for the month of September. Let's see where the markets are headed and what are the things we should be careful about in this coming month. What would be the levels at the expiry, what would be the weekly expiry, and what would be the monthly expiry. Okay, so before going to the analysis part, you can visit our website www.stocktech.in to know more about us, to know more about our trainings, the different types of courses that we offer, and the post-course supports, our student reviews and testimonials, etc. If you want to know more about us and you want to see what are our videos and what profits we have made, you can also visit us on YouTube. Okay, we have our YouTube channel, Stock Tech, and you can do subscribe to the video, right? So now let us start with the analysis part. So this is our YouTube channel, Stock Tech. Okay, on the YouTube channel we have a lot of content, like we have videos for beginners. Okay, from zero the platforms to a layman's guide to the basics of stock market, and every month we keep posting the monthly Nifty analysis. So do visit the YouTube channel. Do not forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and you can also visit our website. Now let us begin with the analysis part. Okay, so here's Nifty 50 chart. As you guys know, Nifty 50 is the index. So let's see where's the index right now. So if I go to the Nifty 50 chart, currently you can see Nifty 50 is very close to the all-time high. Okay, that is 19,990 levels. Okay, Nifty is currently at 19,800. So, and almost 180 points away from the all-time high. There are very high expectations that Nifty might reach the 20,000 levels. This time it may touch the 20,000 levels. If we see in the recent few days, we have seen a quick rally over here. Okay, Nifty was in a long uptrend. After that, we saw a brief downtrend, and now we see the up leg again. Okay, so here there was a big long uptrend. After that, there was a brief downtrend, and we are seeing an uptrend again. So let's see whether this uptrend is going to continue or it is just temporary. Okay, so let's analyze Nifty on the day time frame charts first. If you see on the day time frame charts, Nifty was in a sideways range. Okay, from the year 2021 October, somewhere around, yeah, July 2022 to 2023 June. Okay, we saw a breakout over here. After this breakout, we saw some rally. Approximately, if you guys see, it's a 5% rally, and then again we saw some correction, and now we see the second round of rally over here. So what does this mean? Where is the market headed? Now, if you go by the conventional method of analysis, okay, you may see a flag pattern over here and then a breakout as well. Okay, so this is a bullish flag pattern over here. If you guys see this, okay, and then there was a breakout over here. So this is called a bullish flag breakout. When the bullish flag breakout happens, the expected rally is up to the previous high. So this time the previous high is the all-time high, which is 19,990. Okay, what I see over here is, okay, this rally will be completed. Maybe in the next week itself, this rally might be completed. But what after that? That is a very important point. What after this? So 19,990. Okay, even I'm in favor of that. Maybe market, due to the positive sentiment, this time it may touch 20,000 as well. But that cannot be said for sure. But yes, 19,990, even I'm in favor of that. So another 180 points rally will be expected from here, and we may achieve it very easily. But once Nifty reaches 19,990, then what? Okay, currently even we have taken a long position. We have bought 19,700 C. We are holding it. Okay, but what about when Nifty reaches 19,990 levels? What after that? So to analyze that, we'll have to go to a bigger picture. So I'll go to the weekly time frames. If you see on the weekly time frames, okay, or the monthly time frames, okay, you see that the markets is at an all-time high. So when the markets are at an all-time high, okay, you need to analyze the markets very carefully. Now, if I try to draw the current trend line analysis, okay, this is the previous top, and here we have the other top. Okay, now this will be the resistance line. This is the resistance line for the current chart on the weekly time frame, and this would be this. Okay, sorry, this I would not take that because that's a very small top over there. Okay, so this would be the major trend for Nifty right now. So if I even go by this trend analysis, even if I go by this trend analysis, you guys can see that the target would be approximately 20,000. And once the market reaches this 20,000 level, okay, it's almost a double top formation over here. Double top or the M formations over here, okay, which would bring down Nifty to the 18,000 levels if there is no breakout. Yes, if this breakout happens over here, 21,000 is on within no time. Okay, even before this year ends, that is even before December, you will see 21,000 if this level breaks out over here. But in case if Nifty fails to do that, we will see a correction which will bring down Nifty immediately to 18,500 levels. Okay, very simple, right? Now, if you see history, whenever this pattern, okay, if you guys see, this is a rising wedge pattern actually. Okay, currently we can also draw the trend line like this, the support line like this. Okay, when you draw the support line like this, and let me take this out for you, it looks like a rising wedge. A rising wedge, or as we call it, converging uptrend, is a very bearish pattern. Very bearish pattern. Let me show you something about this pattern. Okay, this is a rising wedge pattern. What happens in this pattern is every time the stock retraces to the support line, the resistance lines converges towards it, and the targets are very small. So the volumes go on declining in the stock, resulting in a breakdown most of the time. Most of the time, such rising wedges always leads to a breakdown, like you can see over here. This is just an example. So now, even if you see the history of Nifty, okay, if we see the history of Nifty, you can see over here, this was a rising wedge over here. See, three tops and two bottoms being connected, and you can see it was a rising wedge. And there was a steep fall over here. Okay, if you go in history and if you try to analyze this, you will be able to see that whenever there is a rising wedge formation, most of the time the markets have corrected. The markets have corrected. Okay, the markets have corrected over here. So a rising wedge leads to correction most of the time. So we need to be a little cautious because history may repeat itself. But if you see the major trend line, the major trend line is passing over here. So again, if Nifty breaks down over here, we will have support somewhere around 18,200, 18,400 levels. Okay. So currently, okay, I would be very cautious and very careful. Okay, for short-term trades, your support levels are somewhere, let me tell you guys, those are taking short-term trades, etc. Your support levels are somewhere around this line over here. That is this Nifty levels, 19,400 and 19,500. As Nifty narrows down over here, then this line, that is 20,100 line, will be acting as a crucial resistance. Okay, we will see strong resistance to Nifty from here, heavy sell-off, and then Nifty will keep taking support on this line, which is 19,600, 19,700. In case Nifty breaks out, a fresh all-time high rally will start from there and 21,000 is on. But if this breaks down, then we will soon see a big fall that will bring Nifty down to 18,000 levels. So the next few days are very crucial. And as you know, there's the G20 summit going on. And I feel this rally was one of the reasons. But now we have to be very cautious in the upcoming days. Okay, people who want to know the levels for Monday, for intraday trading, etc. Let me give you levels for intraday trading. If you're going for intraday trading in Nifty, okay, based on the trend analysis, we have strong supports around 19,750 levels. We have strong supports around 19,750 levels, and the resistance would be currently at 19,865 levels. So for Monday, 19,750 to 19,865 levels. This would be the ranges. The support being around 19,750 and resistance being around 19,860 levels. But basically, I am on the long side for the next few days. Okay, until Nifty reaches the all-time high again. Okay, when Nifty reaches this level, that is where we have to be very cautious. So currently, if you ask me, what are the levels again? Let me repeat it. Okay, this is the all-time high trend line that I'm drawing over here with the resistance. Okay, two support lines passing over here. One as the major support line, which passes over this level, and one is known as the leg support. Okay, see, a trend is always made up of legs. So this was the downward leg. Okay, if you guys see over here, this was the down leg, then this has the up leg, then this was the down leg again, and we have another up leg over here. You can see a double bottom formation also, but in the trend line, okay, you can also see a double bottom formation. We all know that double bottom breakouts are very strong breakouts, so we need an immediate breakout over here for the rally to continue. In case the rally does not continue over here, or we do not have a breakout, then this leg, which is the up leg, may start a down leg over here. So you need to be very cautious over here. You need to be extremely cautious. Okay, because in case when Nifty reaches this particular level over here, it will be a double top formation. In case it breaks down, then 18,000 is on the cards. Yes, so trade carefully, trade cautiously. What would be my recommendations for the coming days? I would recommend not going all in. Like if you have a lot of funds, divide your funds, keep 50% as backup and only use 50% of your funds. Do not invest for long term right now. It's not the right time to go for long term. Take advantages of Nifty rally because there will be quick rallies and steep falls. So BTST trading would be preferred, would be better type of trading. You guys know right now how to do BTST trading. Okay, it's one of our favorite strategies, the BTST strategy. So focus on BTSTs right now. And once Nifty starts correcting itself, that would be the time to identify stocks that are correcting most, wait for them to bottom out, wait for them to reach potential demand zones, and then invest in them. So currently, do not rush because Nifty is narrowing down between the support and resistance, and now it's going to be a make or break time for Nifty. The next 2 weeks are very important for Nifty, very important for Nifty. In case a Nifty starts correcting itself, the correction may go up to January, February, that is up till budget. So you have to be very cautious over here. Yes, trade carefully, all the best. And do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Stock Tech. Do visit our website for more details on Stock Tech, our courses, our trainers, and everything you want to know. We have upcoming batches. Do join us and learn the art to be financially independent. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you all until next time. All the best.